Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all participants. First of all, I welcome to all the participants in this business opportunity presentation. So, today I will discuss new generation business. So, what is the new generation business? And by this, how we can start our own business. So, I will stop my video and I will share my screen. Thank you. Okay, once again, good morning, all of you. Okay, first of all, I welcome to all participants in this beautiful presentation. Before we start this presentation, I will introduce myself. Myself Devashish Behera from India, from the state of Odisha. Now, I am a prosumer advisor in this platform. So here we discuss today about work from home business opportunity, work from home income opportunity, that is called new generation business, where anyone without any investment you can start your own business and fulfill your all of your dreams, converting into reality with speed and stability by the support of our organization named Team Demality. Here in the specific pandemic situation, that is COVID-19 situation, we offer work from home income opportunity. So this presentation will take 20 to 30 minutes, and this video will help you to build a career, build your business. So now we go to slide. Here you have seen that everyone dreams for, everyone works for money. Not only money, that is luxurious bike, luxurious car for you, one dream home for your family. You dreams for a better lifestyle, and you want to live freedom. My first question, are they fulfilling this? All the people can fulfill these dreams. And I will ask to you, do you have dreams? And do you want to fulfill at any cost? If your answer is yes, I welcome to this life-changing presentation. So today we all are focusing towards new generation business, that is unique type of business for today's pandemic situations. New generation business. What is new generation business? New generation business is one type of business where you have no investment. Also, you work from home opportunity. Here you will work part time or full time. Here we give full training support to you, and here we provide great opportunity for high income, and you have to get lifetime career opportunity. Here in this slide you have seen that the world is changing from consumer to prosumer. Consumer, what is consumer? Prosumer, what is prosumer? So for details, consumer who spends money to purchase products with no extra benefit, no savings. But prosumer who spends money to purchase products, regular need products. On purchasing, he or she saves money and also earn money. Okay, I will give some example of prosumer. You have to better understand. Prosumer who using, and after using he will get saving. Once you refer someone, he or she will get referral earning. Example, Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, Swiggy और Zomato. ये है पेमेंट ऐप. While you have to go for shopping, and after during payment you have to use these apps and you have to get payment, then you have saving, and then when you referring someone, then you have to get earning. So here there is only one Indian company which gives you an opportunity to convert yourself from consumer to prosumer. If you have a prosumer, then all these benefits you have to save money and earns money. So here only one Indian company who gives you 3 lifetime benefits for becoming a prosumer. First one is high quality products. You have to get here high quality products. Second one is discounts up to 50%. Third one is lifetime referral earning. Okay friends, go to next slide. Here only one Indian company whose name is Vestige. Vestige Marketing Private Limited. Started from 2004, 2nd June 2004. And most of the people know this company. And Vestige is the number one direct selling company whose visionary management is here. First of all, our MD, Mr. Gautam Bali, sir. Our sales head, Mr. Deepak Sood, and IT head, Mr. Kanwar Singh. These three peoples, these three visionary management will start 2nd June 2004. Go to our company background. Our head office at New Delhi, India, started with just 10 products, 2 offices, and only 6 prosumers. But now having 350 plus products and 5,000 plus products will available on Vestige Best Deal online shopping app. Here 3,000 plus service branches in India. In world ranking, we have on 30th position in all over the world. Vestige is an Indian company, but now our business will expand on in Nepal, UAE, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Thailand and Ghana. 8 international countries. Vestige is now including India 9 countries. We have targeting in the year 2025. We have present in 50 countries. In the year of 2019, there is 2,300 crore plus turnover. But now 3,500 close core turnovers. Today 3 crore plus prosumers. We have 3 crore plus prosumers who saves 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per month. And here lakhs of prosumers earns monthly 5,000 to 1 lakh check. And here 4,000 plus prosumers earnings lakhs of rupees per month. Here there are so many prosumers, about 4,500 plus prosumers who achieve his or her own car. Not only normal car, but also here luxury car achievers. There are 250 plus prosumers who achieve our luxury car like Mercedes-Benz, Audi, BMW, Jaguar, like that. Here 15,000 plus prosumers avail free foreign trip. Now I have said about awards and recognition. Vestige has been bestowed with many prestigious awards and certificates. Vestige is a member of Health, Foods and Dietary Supplement Association. Vestige received good manufacturing practices. Vestige was awarded with Certificate of Excellence in Productivity, Quality, Innovation and Management by the Institute of Economic Studies in the year 2010. Our MD Mr. Gautam Bali was honored with prestigious Best CEO Award in the year of 2012 at Oftener Direct Selling Forum. Vestige also was awarded as Most Admired Brands and Leaders of Asia in the year of 2014 to 15. Here we get GMP and ISO 9001-2008 certificates. Also we get halal certificate. Now we have go to product profile. All the products are manufacturing at own manufacturing unit. So here for the highest global quality standards, here we use best equipment and we have own research and development lab for innovative product development. We have quality control department to maintain international level quality standards. So our manufacturing facility GMP and ISO certified, also halal certified and FDA standard certified. Now we have to discuss about our product. First of all, we go to our healthcare products. In the healthcare category, there are a number of categories, subcategories. First one is Vestige Prime. In this subcategory, we have 4 products. Those products will help us to live healthy. And then we go to our next subcategory, immunity boost, where anyone can immunity his or her boosting. So here 5 products are there. Next category, that is called Pro Heart. All the problems of heart, Here we naturally treatment, that is in the subcategory of ProHeart we have get 4 products, and then in the category of glycemic health यानी कि sugar, for sugar patient यानी कि diabetes patient we have 2 products. Then in the subcategory fitness plus diet we have all the slimming category products, that is protein powder, base slim shake, base slim tea, base slim capsules. And then go to detox and rejuvenation, where you can remove your toxins from our body by these products, detox and rejuvenation category. Then next category our women's health category. In the women's health category we have 4 products. And then we go to joints and bones health, joint pain, arthritis problem. For solution this joint and bone health problem we have 3 products you have to use, and any kinds of joint pain here we solve. Then we have to go to Ayush Shanti. Ayush Shanti means science of wellness. Ayurveda plus science को ले science makes our brand Ayush Shanti. These Ayush Shanti products are special for disease oriented products, cure different types of disease. Here our next category, personal care. All the skin problems, all the body care product available here. In the women hygiene category, in the here of oral care category we have toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash, etc. And in the health food category we have rice bran oil, chocolate, Invigo protein powder, tea, coffee, fresh up drink, etc. In the category of high waste and home hygienic products. In the next category, agri products. Here India will depend on agriculture field. About 80% people will depend on agriculture. So we have wide range of agriculture products, that is 8 products in the agri category. Next our category is Mistral of Milan, that is called color cosmetics. And then our next category is Skin Formula 9, premium skincare categories. Next our product category is True Man, only for gents personal care products. Then we have next category which is Sharp Air Purifier, where we can remove dust, smoke and all the virus, bacteria, germs from our home for our indoor air. Here we can purify our indoor air through this Sharp Air Purifier. And next category our Sharp Water Purifier and Water Pitcher, by which we will get 100% pure water. Then our category is Mac Drive Nano Energizer. Next our pure mask, cotton mask here, and all the Assure natural care products which is made up of natural plants. Then we have a Vestige Base Deal product, by which you get all the grocery items, all the mobile accessories, all the brands are available here for online shopping. All the 5,000 market brand products here available here. If you have Vestige Prosimers, then what is the benefit? There are 4 types of benefits here. If you have get Vestige Prosimers, that is first one is 10 to 20% discount on MRP. Second one is 10% extra free products. Third one is monthly 3% to 7% cashback on purchase price. Okay, next if you purchase 1800 products, if you continue 4 consecutive months, then get you 1250 rupees product, free product. This purchase can be in multiple invoices. If you purchase 3000 plus products for 4 consecutive months, then after 4 months you get 2500 free products. And this purchase can be in multiple invoices. There are 4 types of benefits. Here some examples. Suppose your bill is of 3000 in distributor price, that is actual MRP is 3450, because discount 10 to 20%, on an average 15%, that is 450 rupees, cashback 3% to 7%, on an average you have to calculate 5%, then 150 rupees, free product 10%, that is 3300 products, free product. And if you purchase consecutive 4 months, then after 4 months you have get 3000 free products. So per month, that is 3000 divided by 4 months, that is equal to 750 rupees. Total you have to calculating total, so become 1650 rupees. That is called 55% savings in your bill, monthly bill. In the same case, 2000 and 1000 rupees product purchase, you have to save 48% and 30% consecutively. Next, our best deal store. Our best deal store offers you all the grocery items. Here you have to discount, you have to get discount 0% to 20%. Every month free offer, monthly cashback we offer. If you purchase 2000 on grocery items, continue consecutive 3 months, then you have to get up on the 4 month 1000 product fee. If you purchase 3500 plus grocery items, continue for 6 months, then on 7 month you have to get 3500 product completely free. Here our Prime Minister was said Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat have a tagline that is called vocal for local. If you use our local products, then you have get Atmanirbhar. So we have launched Atmanirbhar marketing plan, and you have get here Atmanirbhar success plan, that is sure short formula for financial independence. That is Atmanirbhar success plan for 2021, that is called 10 types of income. Here first one is retail profit 10 to 20%, second one is performance bonus 5% to 11%, bronze director bonus 4%, business building bonus 14%, team building bonus 2%, leadership overriding bonus 17%, travel fund 3%, car fund 5%, house fund 3%, and last one is elite club bonus 2%. In this type you have to Atmanirbhar success plan by getting 10 types of income. That is most important questions. How to become a Vestige prosumer? That is most important. For becoming a Vestige prosumer, you have register online or offline. Here we require, as per government guidelines, that is KYC. KYC means know your customer. So you have to require and one document, Aadhaar card या voter card या driving license. Then you have to update our website, your bank details and PAN card, that is www.myvestige.com. and after registration you have get your ID number, 8-digit ID number and password, and after registration, that is totally free of cost. And after registration you have to purchase, first purchase minimum 30 PV, that is about 1000 to 1200 products as your own choice. Yeah, you have to first purchase up to 60 PV, that is equal to 2000 above products. या 100 PV यानी कि 3000 plus products as your own choice, by which you have no membership fees, you have no renewal fees, and here you become lifetime free membership. That is most important in this slide. Income structure, most important. You have screenshot it. If you purchase Vestige product 30 rupees, you have to get 1 point. If you purchase our best deal product, all grocery items, about 100 rupees, you have to get 1 point. For example, if you purchase Vestige product up to 1800 rupees product, you have to get 60 point. If you purchase our best deal product up to 2000, you have to get 20 point. Total point is equals to 60 plus 20 equal to 80 point. If you make 30 prosumer, you have to get 30 into 80 equal to 2400 point. Here your average income will be 7200 rupees. If you make 50 prosumer, so 50 into 80 equal to 4000 point. Your average income will be 12,000 rupees. If you make 80 prosumer, so 80 to 80 point equal to 6400 point. Here your average income will be 19,200 rupees. If you make 100 prosumer, you have to get point 100 into 80 point equal to 80,000 point. Here your average income will be 24,000 rupees. How do you do? First of all, you have creating awareness. First of all, you being a customer, and you are saving your monthly expenditure up to 30%, 50%, and you have to make people to consumer to prosumer. Then you have start earning with extra income, and you have see this presentation video, and you have to attend our live programs, by which you get time freedom and money freedom. That is most important question. Why Vestige? Here some people having studies and student have so many professions like doctors, engineers, private job, government job. But why Vestige? There are 10 points to do. Vestige is compulsory in your life. First point is that to become beautiful and healthy. If you want to become beautiful, if you want to keep healthy, so you have to do Vestige now. If you have want to part-time income, we give you opportunity for which you have get part-time income. Third point is big income. If you want big income means minimum 1 lakh rupees per month income. We provide you 1 lakh income opportunity in this new generation business. Next, fourth point is own identity. That is most important thing. Here you make your own identity all over the world. Fifth point is recognition. That is most important thing. Recognition. You have to recognize here each level of success. Sixth point is you have to get holiday trip twice in the year. Seventh point is you have purchased your own car. Eighth point is you have purchased your own house. Ninth point is that you have to get time freedom. And 10th point is that you have get royalty income. In these points, these 10 points, you have to do Vestige in this pandemic situation. And here Team Demality organization will digital support you. So Team Demality has own mobile app where you can avail all basics training available, and you have to work on digital offices. And by our Team Demality Global Facebook page, you have to like this, then you have regular get update. You have to join our Team Demality group on Facebook, and you have to also subscribe our channel Team Demality Global YouTube channel. So here Team Demality is here where your dreams can convert into reality with speed and stability. And here after registration you have to must attend our welcome training. Thank you so much and wish you well.